In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Trello cards from CSV. We'll start right inside Trello and work all the way through creating a board, enabling the right power-up, uploading your CSV, checking for issues, and importing your cards. By the end, you'll have your tasks neatly organized and ready to go. First, open Trello.com and head to your board's view. From there, create a new board. Give your board a clear, descriptive title so you and your teammates will instantly recognize it later. While you're here, feel free to pick a background that makes the board easy on the eyes. A simple color or calm photo keeps things readable. Next, choose the workspace where this board should live. If you see a workspace selector, open it and pick the workspace you collaborate in most. Before creating the board, set the visibility. Open the visibility menu to review your options. You can preview private to keep the board accessible only to people you add, and you can look at public to understand that it makes the board visible to anyone with the link, which is rarely what you want for internal projects. For most teams, workspace visibility is a great balance, allowing all workspace members to access the board. Go ahead and select workspace visibility, then click Create to spin up the board. On your new board, add your first list. This gives the importer a clear place to drop your incoming cards. Name it something like Backlog or To Do. You can always add more lists later, but having at least one list now helps the import process run smoothly. Next, open Power-Ups from the board header. Click Add Power-Ups to browse the directory, and in the search bar, type CSV Import. Look for the importer labeled Imports by Blue Cat. Click Add, and confirm by clicking Add again if a confirmation appears. When that's done, return to your board's Power-Ups panel and open Imports by Blue Cat to launch the importer interface. Now, choose your CSV file. Click the file picker and select your CSV from your computer. A quick tip before you import: a clean CSV saves time. Include a header row, keep one card per row, and use clear column names like title, description, due date, labels, and list. If you've organized items into multiple lists. If your file is large, give Trello a moment to process it. Once your CSV is loaded, the importer will present checks to help you validate the data. Open the Data Checked view to confirm the columns were recognized correctly and that key fields, especially the card title, look right. If the importer shows another Data Checked screen or summary, review it as well. This is just another chance to catch mismatches. Then, visit the Missing Values section to see if any rows are missing essential information. If something looks off, it's often fastest to cancel. Adjust your CSV in a spreadsheet, save, and re-upload. That way, you import clean data the first time rather than fixing dozens of cards afterward. If the importer prompts you to map columns to Trello fields, take a moment to map titles, descriptions, dates, and labels accurately. This ensures everything lands in the right place. When the checks look good and you're confident in the preview, click Check and import CSV. The importer will validate your file one last time and begin creating cards on your board. Depending on the size of your CSV, this can take a few moments. You should start seeing cards appear in your list as the process completes. When the import finishes, close the importer by clicking the X in the corner of the window. Your cards are now in Trello and ready for you to refine. You can quickly drag cards between lists, add members, attach files, or adjust due dates. If you plan to import again later, keep that CSV template handy so future uploads are even faster. That's it. You've created a board, set the right visibility, enabled the CSV import power-up, validated your data, and imported your cards into Trello without a hitch.